Okay? That's it. Huh? Good. You hear that? Huh? Okay? Remember my footstep. The movement how you using tattoo. Okay? Huh? Okay? Remember that? How you footstep. Move. Okay? Okay? Yeah, turn. Do you remember? Okay, wait there. Okay. Okay. Wait. Don't do that. No, this. Oh. Okay, just I using tattoo. Okay. No. Berarti ketinggalan tu. Saya itu perlukan. This. Okay. Hah? Tadi lagi jo. Okay. Ini. Number. Okay. Okay. Whether it is split or this side. Listen. Okay. Okay, remember? Don't move, yeah? You keep this. One more. Okay, good. Okay, remember? This, yeah? Kedua. Okay. Kedua. Okay. Kedua. Okay. Kedua. Wait, yeah. Ya. Okay. Good. Yeah. Come on. Just using tattoo. Okay. Putri. Coba ni lebih kenal anu orang. Wah, berapa sih tengah mampu orang itu? Nah. Ambil apa? Hah? Ya. Nah. Ini langsung baca tua. Sesuatu yo. Ini mana? Nusa put it in the world again. Huh? Only that too. Okay? Remember that? Huh? You get?
Yes.
Get. Tak tu je. Tahan. Tahan tu. Okay? Fine. Wait! This, remember what you teach you? Okay? Yeah? If I this position now, you have like this. Yeah, control your weapon, your enemy. Okay? If I here, like this, okay? Huh? That's the position. If I here, that's the position. Okay? This is your position. Okay? If I here, okay. You get what I mean? Okay? Okay? Right here. Okay. Okay? Control your enemy. Okay? No elbow. Okay? Okay? No elbow. Listen. Yeah? Yeah, you get it, bud? Yeah? Yeah? Okay. It's a movement. Yeah? No elbow. This way. This way. This way.
This way.
This way.
This way.
This one. This way. Besar ke tangan. This way. This way. Don't using this hand. Going around. Yeah. One more. Okay. Look at my eyes. Ah, that's wrong. Yes, sir. Okay? Here. Yes, sir. Okay. Here. Not too fast, man. Don't know. White. What's white? Okay? Know this. Okay? White there.
This way. Right.
Go. Go. Do the top one. Go. Don't too far. Satu. No over. Here. Okay. You let me. Okay. Okay.
This way.
Here.
This way.
Just a little movement.
This way. Satu. Satu.
Here.
This way. Up. Satu. Satu. Balik. This way. This way. Satu. This way. Satu.
Then one satu. Here. Put here. No, that's. You left before you start like this.
Satu.
No. Put here. Okay, remember? Satu. No, this. Okay. We just talk about satu one. First satu, yeah. It's satu. Two. When you put here, you wouldn't start. Right now, the first satu, okay? You get it in? Right. Right.
This way. This way. This way. This way.
That. Here. Here. Okay.
This way. Eight.
No, Baba. Put your like this. Try to concentration.
This way. Hey. Shit. Satu.
Here. Okay.
This way.
One more. Yeah, one more.
This way.
Okay.
Hey.
Okay. Satu.
Satu. Hey.
No. No this. Remember? Okay? Kanan saan kedua. Ha. Tuh. You know this? Okay? Dua, tiga.
Cek.
Hah? Oh, okay. Ha. Okay? Hurry. Okay? Huh? Mama, get from this way. Huh? Okay? Okay? Good. You get that? Huh? Okay? Remember my footstep. The movement how you using satwa. Okay? Huh? Okay? Remember that? How you footstep. Move. Okay? Again? Yeah, turn. You remember? Kita tu? Huh? One. Okay? Yeah. Okay? Remember kita tu? Yeah? Yeah, what does it like this? Yeah? Okay? Imagine one night when you have a footstep like this. Huh? And turn on like turn the body like this. Huh? Okay? You get it? Okay? Or what next? Huh? This is break this. Okay? Huh? Good. Simple, man. Using your pivot. Huh? Okay? Huh? Okay? Just your training today. This one.
Ah, right.